I've been feeling so.
What's up guys, Heidi and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very first episode of Let's Talk Fashion. And I'm super excited for this series because I walk you through step by step when it comes to fashion, and there are so many things that you guys might not know. And yeah, this series is all about fashion, so make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell because I'll be posting from 13th till the 17th, which means a whole week of videos and all about fashion, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get into it and let's see what is your personal style. Does that ever happen to you that you have a closet full of clothes but you always wonder like, I don't like my clothes, or you just never find the perfect clothes to wear for any occasions, and you're like, even though I have clothes but I literally don't have anything to wear. Does it happen to you? Or do you always wonder that, some people just wear anything and everything looks perfect on them? Now let's take an example of Anna and Charlie. So Anna has a closet full of clothes, but she is not happy with the closet that she has. But on the other hand, Charlie, who has minimal clothes or maybe like less amount of clothes than Anna has, but Charlie just looks put together and always ready to rock. Now what is the reason that Charlie looks so put together and Anna doesn't? Because Charlie has figured out what's her personal style and Anna here is trying to figure out what looks best on her. But she's completely failing here. So in today's video, we are going to figure out what's your personal style and how to find clothes that fit for you so that you can look beautiful and amazing in those clothes and obviously feeling confident in who you are. Now when it comes to styling or fashion or anything, it's always important to find some inspiration, and I think you guys already know what your inspirations are. But if you are still confused on what inspires you, then you can actually go on Pinterest, and I'll link my Pinterest down below because there are so many boards that will help you to find your personal style and open your mind to fashion so that you don't feel like, fashion is not for me. Actually, fashion is for everybody. It's just that you are not figuring things out for yourself and somebody else has already figured things out. Now when it comes to finding inspiration, just go on Pinterest and type in outfit ideas, or to make things even simpler, go to my account because I have a whole board on outfit ideas that you can go and select your favorite style, because maybe we both can have a similar style. And once you're done pinning all the outfits, then go on and see what is the similar things that you find in all those pictures and what is something that you're attracted more to. If you look at my style, then I love a lot of jeans, tops and frocks. So I know what looks best for me and what kind of cut suits me better. And if you don't have an Pinterest account, don't worry, Insta has this feature called Save. So if you like somebody's outfit or the way they are styling it, you can actually save them and create a board out of it, like outfit ideas or something related, so that you can always go back to those pictures and see what inspires you and what you like to wear. My next step would be try something on before buying it, because a lot of time happens that we might like it just by seeing the cut and the look of it, but when we actually wear it, it does not even flatter us that much. So it's always a better idea to try things on before buying it, because then you understand that what flatters you and what doesn't, and which area you want to highlight, and what cuts and what fabric that suits most on you, so that you're saving your money and also you know what looks best on you. Now since we're talking about fashion and finding your personal style, it's also very important that whatever you wear, you are very comfortable in it and you feel 100% when you wear it, because you don't want to wear something which is uncomfortable, because then you can't give 100% of yourself, because sometimes when we wear clothes, they tend to be uncomfortable. So stay away from those clothes that makes you a little uncomfortable, because then you can't shine in those clothes, Wearing clothes that are comfortable as well as you feel confident is very important, because you never know the importance of wearing something good on a bad day, because actually clothes have an impact on you, and if you are feeling good with the clothes that you're wearing, you instantly feel happy and confident. And when I'm talking about finding your personal style, it's not a one-day process, or you won't get it just right away. You'll find your personal style. It takes trials and errors, and don't worry, there are a lot of things that goes under fashion. So don't worry if you are not figuring things out right away. It does take time, and don't worry, you would find your style. It's all about researching and experimenting with things when it comes to fashion. Now, since we have figured out what your style is, it's not about staying in the same lane. My style is classic minimal, which means I gravitate more towards a neutral tone, but that does not mean that I'm going to only wear neutrals, because I love colors and I definitely do include little bit of colors here and there, because fashion is something about experimenting and finding something that you love. So you definitely would see me wearing yellows, blues, pinks, and a lot more of colors than usual. Also, colors have a huge impact. That is, some colors can flatter you while some might not. So you should also know what colors suits you, so you can actually go in and find those colors and inculcate in your wardrobe. So those were all my tips, and if you still did not figure it out, don't worry, you will figure it out sooner or later. And don't forget to come back tomorrow, because in tomorrow's video I'll be talking all about the closet essentials that you guys need, and maybe you will find something or the other thing that you can say that's your style. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram, because there are a lot of fashion content that is coming out, so you don't have to miss that out over there as well. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.